Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to one name on Facebook or new account. You know, when you create new account and you want to change the name into one name. Normally you can get 3 names or 2 names. But when you want to change all the name to one name, you want to make it one name on a Facebook account, this video is the best. Watch the video to end so that you not mix any steps. Remember, our motive is one name on Facebook on new account. So let's start. Can you watch to end so that you not mix any steps? Can you subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel? Let's continue. Here you open your Play Store. You search for this VPN. Scuttle VPN. So this is the VPN. So this is how the VPN is. If you don't have download it. So you then open. And open like this. You see top there. Skip at top right hand side corner. Top there, you click skip. When you click skip, it will bring you here. You will see here, look at something here. You will see optional server. You see the country and the region. See optional server. You click on that thing. You click. It will bring you here. You then move to free 2. You have free 1, free 2, free 3, free 4. So you move to free 2. Free 2. You then go back again. Go to free 1. You then search for Indonesia. If you didn't get it on free 1, move to free 3, free 4. Let's see. Yes, you want Indonesia. So if you don't have Indonesia, you move to Singapore. So you click on Singapore. You click on Singapore. You see there's a human hand like this. You click there. So it is connecting our server to Singapore. We click OK. See, it is rolling. Yes, it has connected. You see down, you see connected. When you want to see it has connected, you click the Singapore distance down. You see down, you see cancel and disconnect, which means it has connected. So here you then go to your Facebook. So you open your Facebook app like this. You then move to settings and privacy. You then go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, here you then search for, on the top there, account center. You see personal details. You click on the personal details. Here you then move to profile. You move to profile, top there. Under profile, here I have combined my Instagram and Facebook together. That's why you have seen Instagram and Facebook. So our motive is on Facebook, one name on Facebook. So you click on the Facebook top there. You go to name. Here you change the name you want to use for account. And you clean this one, and you press the space bar. So I'll press my space bar. I'll click change review. I'll go back. Yes, I'll go back. So this, in a few minutes or a few days, it will change to one name. This is how to change one name on Facebook or new account. Can I subscribe to my channel? Bye bye.